Hello students, in this video I shall make you understand how to find out rational numbers between two rational numbers. Here topic is finding out rational number between two rational numbers. And regarding this, there are four questions. First, second, third and fourth. And step by step I shall make you understand. First question is between 3 and 4. Okay? We have to find out rational number between 3 and 4. Means numbers must be after 3 and before 4. So we can write 3.01 because 3.01 between 3 and 4. 3.02 also we can write. 3.03 also we can write. 3.04 also we can write. So on. These series will go up to 3.99. 99 rational numbers will come in this series and those will be between 3 and 4. These questions have been solved. But to make you understand one thing more, that between two rational numbers, even between two consecutive rational numbers, not only 99 numbers there are, but also many numbers you can find. Not only many numbers, we can say between two rational numbers are limitless. Unlimited rational numbers you will find between two even consecutive rational numbers. I give you examples to make you understand. I have taken first number 3.01. Suppose I take 3.001. I can take also 3.001. Why? Because 3.001 also comes between 3 and 4. And second number will come 3.002. Third number 3.003. And so on. This series will end up to 3.999. I mean, in this series, 999 rational numbers will come between 3 and 4. And in third series, if suppose we take first number 3.0001, this is also between 3 and 4. And second number 3.0002, third number 3.0003, and this series will go up to 3.9999 tetrahedral. So you will find 9,999 rational numbers. 9,999 rational numbers in this series you will find between 3 and 4. So you are seeing that rational numbers, even two consecutive numbers are non-limited. They are numberless. This was the answer of first question. And second question. Second question, find out 16 rational numbers between 1.1 and 1.2. Between 1.1 and 1.2. We can write 1.1 as 1.100 and 1.2 can be written as 1.200 because 1.1 is equal to this and 1.2 is equal to this. You know, so we have to find out between 1.1 and 1.2, but I shall find out between 1.100 and 1.200. Why? Because this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So between 1.1 and 1.2, or we can say between 1.00 and 1.200. Both statements are equal. So I can write first number between these 1.101. After 1.100, first number will come as 1.101. Second number 1.102. Third number 1.103. Fourth 1.104. So on, and this will go 1.200. And only here we have to find out 16 numbers. Okay, I write 16 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.105. 0.106. 1.107. 1.108. 1.109. 1.110. 1.111. 1.1112. 1.1112. 1.113. 1.114. 1.115 and 1.116. These are 16 numbers. Between these two numbers, it starts from 1.101 and I have a stop on 1.1116 because we have to find out only 16 rational numbers, but it will go on 1.200, not 200, 1.199. Because we have to find out between 1.1 and 1.2, means between 1.100 and 1.200. So this it means it will start from 1.101 and it will end on 1.199. It means 99. In this series, 99 rational numbers will come. In this series, 99 rational numbers will come. But only since I have to find out 16 numbers, so I have written 16 numbers. Okay, 2 questions I have solved. Two questions have been solved and there are 2 rest questions to be solved. Third question, find out 3 rational numbers between 1/2 and 1/3. 1/2 and 1/3. They are rational numbers, and I tell you they are unlike fraction. They are unlike fraction. They are rational numbers in form of unlike fraction because the denominators of these 2 rational numbers are different. If denominators are different, then rational numbers will be called, if they are fraction, then they will be called unlike fraction or unlike rational number. Okay. Suppose a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 3. First rational number formula is, first rational number is a plus b by 2. Okay. The value of a is 1 by 2 and the value of b is 1 by 3. Here LCM of 2 and 3 6 and here number will be 3 and here number will be 2 and here 3 and 2 5 by 6 into 2 of this one and 5 by 12. Okay, and second rational formula is first rational number plus a by 2. First rational number is 5 by 12, which I found, and the value of a is 1 by 2 by 2. The LCM of 12 and 2 is 12 and here the number will be 5 and here 6. 5 and 6 11 by 12 into 2 11 by 24. And third rational number formula is first rational number plus b by 2. First rational number is 5 by 12 and the value of b is 1 by 3 by 2. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. Here number will be 5 and here 4. 5 and 4 9 by 12 into 2. When we divide by 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Result will come 3 by 8. Then 5 by 12, 11 by 24 and 3 by 8 are rational numbers given 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Here you are seeing rational numbers are in unlike fraction in the form of, here rational numbers are in the form of unlike fractions. Unlike fraction, you will remember it. Okay, I think you would have understood 3 questions I have solved and now one is left. Fourth question. Find out 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here you are seeing these rational numbers are in the form of like fraction. Here denominators of these rational numbers are same. So if rational numbers are in the form of like fraction, then by 2 methods we can solve. First method, First method. First method will be same as I had told in the question number 3. The same method will be, let A is equal to 3 by 5 and B is equal to 4 by 5. First rational number A plus B by 2. The value of A is 3 by 5 and the value of B is 4 by 5 by 2. Here LCM of 5 is 5 and here 3 will be and here 4 will be and here 2 will be. 3 and 4, 7 by 5 into 2, 7 by 10. And second rational number. Second rational number is equal to first rational number plus A by 2. First rational number is 7 by 10 and the value of A is 3 by 5 by 2. LCM of 10 and 5 will be 10 and here number will be 7 and here 6 and here 2. 7 and 6, 13 by 10 into 2, 13 by 20. And third rational number is equal to first rational number plus B by 2. First rational number is 7 by 10 and the value of B is 4 by 5. LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. Here 7 and here 8 and 2. Seven and 8, 15 by 10 into 2. 5 3 का 15, 5 2 का 10. Result will come 3 by 4. Here 7 by 10, 13 by 20 and 3 by 4 are rational numbers between these two like fractions. I have said to you earlier, that if rational numbers are in the form of like fractions, then by two methods we can solve. This is the first method and this method was applied as I had applied in the question number of 3. And second process or second method also you can say 3 by 5 will be divided 3 by 5 will be divided by 4. Why I am multiplying by 4? Because I have to find 3 rational numbers. If I have to find out 3 rational numbers, then I shall divide by 4. If I have to 4 rational numbers, then I shall divide by 5. If I have to find out 5 rational numbers, then I shall divide by 6. I shall divide more than one denominators. I shall divide more than one numbers which have been found out. Here I am seeing I have to find out 3 rational numbers, then more than 3, what happened? 4. Okay, then I shall multiply by 4, and I shall multiply by 4 not only 3 or not only 5, but also both. 3 and 5 both will be divided by 4. What result will come? 4 3s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Okay? And again 4 by 5. 4 by 5 will also be multiplied by the same number, 4 by 4. 4 by 5 will be multiplied by 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 5 4s are 20. Okay, 3 by 5 is equal to 12 by 20 and 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Either I may find out between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, or I may find out between 12 by 20 and 16 by 20. Both will be same. Between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, or we can write, or we can say in second statement, between 12 by 20 and 16 by 20. Both statements are same. And 12 by 20 and 16 by 20. Okay. After 12, what comes? 13 by 20. And after 13, 14 by 20. And after 14, 15 by 20. Okay. These are the 3 rational numbers which come between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, and we have to find out 3 rational. And these are 3 rational numbers which come between 12 by 20 and 16 by 20 and 4 by 5. And here only 3 numbers are coming. Why? Because we are multiplying by 4. And why we are multiplying by 4? Because we have to find out 3 rational numbers. I say to you that if we have to find out 4 rational numbers, then we shall multiply by here 5. And result will also come 4 if we have to find out 4. Okay? Everything I made you understand, and I think you will have also understood. And I hope your conception would have been cleared. And if any thought, you comment in video. And if you got everything, you like, you share and subscribe. Also, if you have not subscribed. Okay, that's all.